If someone asks about Dubai, the first thing that may come to your mind are skyscraping buildings and luxury. You are right, but it may be better to be more specific through giving an example. You can try mentioning Burj Al Arab, the only 7-star hotel in the world. And if the person who asked you tried to squeeze more information from you about this hotel, continue watching and get to know more about Burj Al Arab. Let's start with the basics. Burj Al Arab, which stands for Tower of Arabs, is located in Dubai, United Arab Emirates, and is along the coastline of Jumeirah Beach. It was constructed during 1994 and opened in December 1999 with a total construction cost of $650 million. In fact, from the very start, this hotel is designed to be an iconic structure in Dubai. The shape of the hotel is like a sail of a doe, which represents the traditional Arabian fishing vessel. Great thanks to the amazing architect Tom Wright and over 250 designers from United States, United Kingdom, and Dubai who contributed for this amazing structure. But apart from these facts, what is really so special and luxurious about Burj Al Arab? If you're planning to go here and you have just arrived from Dubai International Airport, then you're 24 kilometers away by car. And if you ever want to make yourself feel more special, start with acquiring an airport pickup service from the hotel itself. They offer this service through Rolls-Royce, Mercedes B-Class, or BMW. Well, that screams luxury even before getting inside the 7-star hotel. Upon arriving, get ready to look up to the 321 meters high building. This is not surprising since the hotel is recognized as one of the tallest hotels in the world. However, it is interesting to note that there is a 39% space in the area of this building which cannot be occupied. Moreover, the overall structure is said to be composed of almost 2.5 cubic feet of concrete and more than 9,000 tons of steel. Oh well, I think that is enough discussing about the structure's exterior. Let's go inside and witness what more does this hotel offers. To get in there, you have to secure your reservations either to the oh-so-costly expensive rooms or the YOY expensive bars and restaurants. Unfortunately, even if you got the money, you cannot enjoy the amenities inside just as you wish. In actuality, staying in one of the rooms of Burj Al Arab starts from 113,500 Indian rupees, without the tax and other charges. This is about $1,500, and that is just the starting price, since it may go up to $18,716 per night. Not a surprise, the Royal Suite is included in the list of the most expensive hotel suites in the world. However, you can choose from several options for your room. The choices are Duplex Suite, Sky One Bedroom Suite, Panoramic One Suite, and many more, wherein prices for the rooms depend upon season and demand. Some of the interesting facts about this hotel is that it takes a month to clean all the windows of the hotel from top to bottom, and there are 19 cleaners assigned. Also, if you are the type of person who specifically wants a certain texture or softness for your pillow, Burj Al Arab's 17 types of pillows are perfect for you. The hotel allows guests to pick for these variations to ensure provision of best comfort. Not only this, for animal lovers, the hotel has its turtle hospital, which tenders the sick and injured turtles. This is in partnership with Dubai's Wildlife Protection Office, Dubai Falcon Clinic, and the Central Veterinary Research Laboratory. The official site of Jumeirah provides a list of all the awards received by Burj Al Arab from 2016 to 2021. Some of its awards are Dubai's Best Resort Spa in 2018, World's Leading Luxury All-Suite Hotel in 2019, Best Hotel in the World and Best Hotel in the Middle East in 2020, and Middle East's Leading All-Suite Hotel in 2021. Moving forward, luxury is anywhere and everywhere in this hotel. In fact, the interiors are plated with 24 karat of gold and 21,000 shimmering Swarovski crystals. These crystals are placed in the ceiling of its Junsui Japanese restaurant. However, that is not all. The hotel also used Italian marbles, similar with Michelangelo's sculptures, for its floors and walls. The service inside this seven-star hotel is said to be unparalleled. This is also their signature. The private butler service for the butler service, every floor of the building has its own reception area. Butlers will also be there for you whenever and wherever as they are available for 24 hours a day to provide the best services for the guests. For every contact to your private butlers, you may use the 24 karat gold iPad provided by the hotel for its guests upon checking in. This serves as a virtual concierge, which provides information about the butler services, directories, restaurants inside, private dining, and many more. In fact, to show awareness about breast cancer, they temporarily provided an exclusive 24 karat rose gold iPad. How about their food? Well, let's try to touch some of the best Burj Al Arab restaurants. First, Al Mahara. It is said that almost everyone in Dubai knows this place. Well, this is an underwater restaurant which offers seafoods fresh from the sea. Basically, while you are eating, your view will be a gigantic aquarium with corals being displayed and fish swimming beside you. The average price for a table of two is $340. Another famous restaurant is Jinsui. If ever you are craving for Asian food, be it Chinese, Malaysian, or Korean, this Asian buffet is perfect for you. What is exciting inside the restaurant is interactive dining experience. How is it interactive? Well, 25 chefs are cooking right in front of you. For a table of two, expect an average price of $220. Let's get over the food and see about sports. The hotel does not only have the best interiors, services, and restaurants, they also have the best place to conduct sports. Burj Al Arab contains a helipad which is located 212 meters above sea level. The management decided to transform it into a table tennis. In fact, Long Ma, Shin Wen-liu, Roger Federer, Andre Agassi, Novak Djokovic, and other famous tennis players already conducted their match on the helipad. This proves that Burj Al Arab is also for great people doing sports. However, some may ask if the luxury of this hotel is fitted for all ages. Will children enjoy their stay in seven-star hotel? Burj Al Arab did not came to play. Of course, it will not be a seven-star hotel if it isn't suitable for all ages of possible guests. In fact, on the 18th floor of the building, there is Sinbad's Kids Club, which is open for 2 years old and above. This place comprises playroom, various toys, computer station, movies, videos, and a baby room. It comprises 1,000 square meters and is exclusive for in-house guests. Take note that you need to have an advance booking for your child to experience this wonderland. Well, I think that ends our discussion inside Burj Al Arab Dubai, the only 7-star hotel in the world. Finally, if someone asks about Dubai, it is right to say that there are plenty of skyscraping buildings and luxurious things. However, try to provide more information about the specifics. Try telling about the inside of Burj Al Arab. As always, this has been Luxe Luxury Channel. If you got a thing or two, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel to be updated for the next luxurious videos.